Hello everyone, I'm Sajid here. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can actually change the font style in the POCO X3 smartphone. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the POCO X3 device, and so many users they did ask me to make a video on this one, how you can actually change the font style in the POCO X3 device. And here is a video for you all. And right now, as you can see here, friends, I'm using the different kind of font style here. So first you need to go to the settings and open the display here. So once you're in the display, you will get this option system font, as you can see. So just try to select on that one. So once you selected that option, it will take you to the other application. So there you will have so many different categories of the font styles. So from here you can actually directly download the font and you can use in the POCO X3 device. So unfortunately there are some ads going on here in this application, so that is another drawback here. So for example, it will try to select this font which I want to choose. So just click on the free and the font style will be downloaded. You can see the ads going on again here and click apply. So the reboot will be applied to apply this font theme, as you can see here. So the phone will get restart and the font will be applied successfully. So right now let me try to click apply and try to reboot the font style here. So this is a method you can actually follow in the POCO X3 device for changing the font styles, different font styles in the POCO X3 smartphone. So meanwhile the phone is booting up, try to check the links in description for more details about the POCO X3 smartphone. So as you can see, there are so many videos I have already uploaded on the POCO X3, in-depth reviews similarly like this. So you can find even the wallpapers what I'm using in my all of the smartphones. So where there are so many useful wallpapers, as you can see here, dual punch hole wallpapers, so which will be very good and attractive as well. As you can see, the POCO phone right now it's loading the POCO X3 device. As you can see, friends, right now the different font style has been successfully applied in my POCO X3 smartphone, and this is a way actually you need to change the font style in the POCO X3 device. And for more comparisons on the POCO X3 versus other smartphones, so make sure to follow me regularly. So even if you have any other queries, do comment below. I'll try to make a video on that topic as well. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.